To a saucepan, we want to add our powdered cheese sauce, which I'll show you how to do in another video. And we're going to follow that up with adding your plant milk of choice. How much you're going to add is dependent upon how many servings of this macaroni and cheese you choose to prefer. I am doing 3 servings, so I'm adding 3 cups of plant milk with 1 cup of powdered cheese sauce. And once I add those in the saucepan, I'm going to just stir them well. And as it heats up over medium-high heat, you will see it gradually thicken and become a cheese sauce right before your eyes. Now that this sauce is thickened, we're going to add in our vegetables. I've added in organic broccoli and some frozen peas. And I'm just mixing that very well until it's fully incorporated. Once it's fully incorporated, we want to add in our pre-cooked pasta. In this instance, I am using teff pasta, which is an old, a whole grain, an ancient grain full of iron, magnesium, and manganese. That's what I chose to do. So whatever pre-cooked pasta you have, you add at this point and you fold it in to the cheese sauce. And now I'm covering it so that the broccoli particularly can go ahead and cook and steam until it reaches my desired texture. And then we're ready to eat. Here's the taste tester to tell you how they think about it. All right, taste test. Here we go. Macaroni and cheese. I cannot believe it looks like cheese. It's smooth like cheese. It's better than macaroni and cheese. The cheese from the cheese. Oh my God, this is good. This is really good. Oh yeah. How simple by already having your cheese sauce prepared. I'm gonna go make me some today. And it's always ready to go for you. That is really, really good. I had no idea it would taste like this. It's good. It gives you macaroni and cheese fillings. Absolutely. And guilt-free. This is good.